Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center, and in this video we are going to remove the AI from the Windows 11. So AI is integrated in Windows 11, and if you find out Microsoft 365 Copilot feature, it will be integrated in every app of Windows 11, and most of the time people hardly use this feature, and it will eat your all the resources like RAM, processor, and it is continuously syncing with the internet, so it also consumes the internet bandwidth. So today I am going to tell you a very simple trick through which you can remove the AI from the Windows 11. So let's go onto the Chrome browser. Then once you are onto the Chrome browser, you have to type simply remove Windows 11 AI. Then you will have a link of GitHub, then click on that, and the beauty is that you will find all the information that what you are exactly going to do. So it will remove it will disable AI actions, paint, each and everything is available here. What you have to do further, then you have to scroll down it, scroll down it, scroll down it, scroll down it, then you will have this script. You have to copy this, and once you copy it, you have to open the PowerShell, right click on it, run as administrator. Wait for a second. So now we have the PowerShell. Sorry for the interruption because there was a problem with the internet. So now you have the PowerShell. Now simply you have to simply copy and paste this script, and let me copy it again. And once you click it, you will have a very simple interface. Wait for a second. So it is very simple interface, disable Copilot policies, and you can read all this. If you have any confusion, you have to just click onto the question mark button, and you will have information that what you are exactly going to do with Windows 11. So if you want to take backup, then you have to create a restore point. Just you have to on this option, and once you on this option, you have to apply it. So it is being initialized, and now it will give you option of create restore point. Let's say give the AI. Give the option AI, and then create the restore point. So restore point will be created instantly, and after that process will be initiated in order to disable the AI. So restore point has been created. Now we have to click OK, and you can see that process has been started. So it will take around 5 to 10 minutes, not more than that. So I'm going to stop this video. Once it is done, I will back, and definitely after the finishing the process, we have to restart our PC. So process has been completed. Now just you have to restart your PC. Yes. So AI have been removed, and let me show you. So you can see that no AI in Windows 11, and everything is working fine. So after that, definitely you will feel a good performance in your PC. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel, and forward to your family and friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.